you know, some girls like this. I like it too, honey. I'm not a stranger to some volume. I love a big old nasty bang, honey.
Honey, give it one more chance. Where are you, honey? Give it one more chance. Where are you, honey? Give it one more chance.
Alright, so I'm back, and I'm back with the straight backs, honey. So I got the the Meek Millies going, my wigs on. See, I like to protect my natural hair because I am natural. I have a 4C natural wave pattern, and I like to keep all of my edges. This is the Cherie unit. We're doing a little experiment to see if the clips on the curls last, and fingers crossed, because this is our only other option of transporting curled hair through the postal system. So I do have a standard elastic band on her, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to pop her on, because it really is. You just put it on like a standard cap. So you just put the elastic band on the back, and I make sure she is really, like, you know, good and comfortable, and I just fold it over. So for this particular look, where's the lace, honey? Where's the lace, honey? I have not put any adhesive or anything. I haven't put no got to be spray or anything. This elastic band is my miracle. I love it. I love the elastic band method. And we're gonna get to styling, honey. So off the back, I would spray got to be spray on it around the hairline, just because I know I want to keep my lace looking as laid as possible. And I like a little baby hairs. It's my preference. So we're gonna see how the Cherie held up during travel. So let's go. She's big. She's big. So straight out the package, this is what adding the pin curls look like. Now mind you, this is straight out the package. I haven't added any I haven't put any type of flat iron on it or anything like that. I haven't put my part in it yet, so let's style her a little bit. Okay, so I put a little part in her, but she needs the press and comb. So let me press her out a little bit and I'll be right back. So this is the Cherie. She comes in a nice little 1B root with a like number 30 with some 27 highlights. I did use the hot comb to kind of tame the roots a little bit, just to get it to lay a little bit flatter. This was straight out the package, like I showed you guys, straight out the package. I didn't do anything else to it, and I just styled it straight out the package. That's what the hairline is looking like on me. I do like the frontal on this unit, but you can choose to put it as a closure. I like it because if I want to do like this to it, I can. And I can make it look a little bit more schoolgirly-ish. Or if I want to do my big, ridiculous, voluminous, like, hair, I can, because I got that extra lace like that. I can do it like this and, you know, or take it the other way. It's really not parted specifically. If you want to be, you know, some girls like this. I like it too, honey. I'm not a stranger to some Valium. I love a big old nasty bang, honey, okay? Yes, she still needs some manipulating. Yes, you're going to have to probably put a hot comb to her. Yes, you may need to manipulate some of the curls to make it to your liking. So that's something that you will have to take into consideration if you choose to add the curls styling option to your wig order. There's an area on the website that says, there's an area on the website that says make it your own. And at that point, you basically make it your own. You can add curls, you can add color, you can swap the frontal out and get a closure. You design it the way you want it to be.